So we deal with that all the time. We refer to it as a probability of failure versus consequence of failure. Right?
Exactly.
So the consequence of failure at Heathrow Airport versus a consequence of failure of a transformer in a smaller neighborhood is different, right? So, when you think about it, the consequence of failure at Heathrow is not the cost of the transformer, right? It's the cost of airport being shut down.
That's exactly right.
Which I heard it's millions of dollars, right? So, again, but for us to make all these decisions, we have to rely on a real-time data, right? We can't rely on the data that's collected on a yearly basis or every few years. For us to be actively managing our asset, ensuring nothing like that happens, we need to have, ingestion of data that will help us make those decisions, right? And that's really where it comes down to.
Reliability. If I get one piece of data a year, I can't do anything with it. It's a dot.
Absolutely.
If I get two pieces, it's a straight line, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
How many dots do I need to have to extrapolate into the future? And that's where we are today. You got to get, and that's where we go from time-based inspection. We got to go to condition monitoring. In fact, we now need to go to even beyond condition monitoring. We need to go condition reliability.
Right.
We need to go condition resilience. How are you going to bring it back up if it goes down?
Right.
And
I mean, I think we talk about, there's, in the industry, and certainly this week, there's a whole discussion about machine learning and artificial intelligence, which is fantastic. And we as an industry should adopt some of these things. Now, I think the debate is at how, when, and I think that's a really good debate. But again, none of this stuff is available unless we have reliable data. And if you have sensors that feed that data, so we can then see how we apply. I'm going to believe that we should be educated about all the technologies out there, but apply it where it fits.
Right.
Not just because, there's something new out there, so let's just see. I think we need to apply it in a way that helps the outcomes that our users are really trying to, achieve. Right. And I think that's really where we as a company try to see how we fit in there, how to actually.
Right.